Okay, hopefully you can hear me. May 1st, 2023. Very windy day today here in Freeborn County, southern Minnesota. I have had to try and get a little creative, trying to keep the cookers from blowing away. I tried, hopefully you can see in there, maybe you can't with the glare. There's a rack in the bottom of that one, raising up the roaster. And this one has a 9-inch Pyrex pie plate in the bottom. And the hope was to get the loaves to brown on the bottom and also help in cooking by raising up the food higher in the bowl, in the heat trap. So I'm going to take a peek here. It's been 2 hours. I set it and forget it. I was on pins and needles most of the time trying to see if this is going to blow away on me. I didn't leave myself much room on the table here. I had an unexpected discovery this morning when I took the loaves out to thaw last night. I just put them in the enclosures. So I'll put that on the deck there. And it didn't rise near as high. I guess that insulates just as good. Oh boy. Well, we're gonna try it here. Can you see that? Yeah. 190, 95. I'd say 197 is about all we're going to get out of that. Still a little softish. This wind is ferocious today. Ferocious. So it looks like that one's going to need a little more than 2 hours, which is not what I wanted. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, correct? So I'm going to spin that a little. Move on to the next one here. Better get my weight back in front of this other. Hopefully my thermometer will cool off enough. What's the thermometer saying? All right, we're down to 70. Clear to launch here. Put that on the deck. Looks about the same, doesn't it? So as I was saying about thawing these out, the bowls do just as good a job keeping stuff cool as they do warm, I guess. 190, 95, get about 197 out of that one too. Well, shoot. I was hoping we'd be done in 2 hours, but I did mess with the configuration, so. I'm going to leave them for another, I'm going to realign and then leave them for a little bit longer. Whoops, we'll see what we get. I'll bring you back when that's done. All right, this is going to have to be on the fly here. I'm running really short on time. That's the final. And of course I forgot the heat pad. Let's get this other one. A little bit more. All right, I'll get them on the cooling rack and we'll take a look at the bottoms.